previous 2 sessions, yes, we were learning about my house. My house ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Yes, we have completed the lesson, no? Yes. What are the different parts of a house, children? ನೆನ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes. What are the different parts of a house? Yes. Dining room, living room, bedroom, bathroom and kitchen. Very good. These are the different parts of a house, isn't it? Then tell me, what are the things we will keep in the dining room? What all the things we'll keep in the living room? Yes, sofa, bookshelves and then chairs. Very good. TV. These are the things we'll keep in the living room. Yes. What all the things you are seeing in the kitchen? What all the things you are seeing in the kitchen? Yes. Utensils and then gas stove. Very good. Food items and then yes, these are the things we'll see in the kitchen. These are the things, and also sink, isn't it? We'll see in the kitchen. Yes. Today let's do the exercises from this lesson. Ee lesson nalli iruvanta exercise ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay na? Now look at the screen, children. There you are seeing check point. There you are seeing check point. See, 5 questions are there. You have to give one word answer for this 5 questions. Only one word answer. Okay. I will read all the questions. Give one word answer for the following. See the screen. Look at the first question, children. Yes. Room where we cook our food. Where we cook our food. Where we cook our food, children? Yes, in the kitchen. So the answer is kitchen. The spelling of kitchen is K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Right, in the opposite direction there is given blank, no? There you write the answer K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Look at the second one. Room where we rest and sleep. Second one. Room where we rest and sleep. Yav room adu? Which room is this, children? Yes, we rest and sleep in the bedroom. Very good. What is the answer? Bedroom. B-E-D. Bed. R-O-O-M. Room. Bedroom. Okay. Look at number 3. The room where we talk with our guests. The room where we talk with our guests. What is it? Answer. What is the answer, children? Yes, where we talk with our guest is the living room. What is the answer? Living room. Right there in the blank. L-I-V-I-N-G. Living. R-O-O-M. Room. Living room. Okay. Look at number 4. We keep a bed here. We keep a bed. Bed na navelli idthivi makle? Where do we keep a bed? Yes, in the bedroom. We keep a bed here means what is the answer? Yes, we keep the bed in the bedroom. B-E-D. Bed. R-O-O-M. Room. Bedroom. Okay. Look at number 5. Room for eating food. Room for eating food. Yes, that is dining room. Dining room. The answer is D-I-N-I-N-G. Dining. R-O-O-M. Room. Dining room. Okay. Look at the next exercises. See, in page number 212 there is given fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Look at the first one. You are seeing in the screen also. Fill in the blanks. Okay. We live in our houses with our dash. With whom we live in our houses, children? Yes, with our family members. What's the answer? Family members. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. M-E-M-B-E-R-S, members, family members. Okay. Second one, houses made of bricks, cement and wood are called dash house. Yes, houses are made of bricks, cement and wood are called what type of house? Pakka house. Write the answer in the blank. P-U-C-C-A, Pakka houses. Okay. Next, number 3. We keep a sofa in a dash room. We keep a sofa in a dash room. Where do we keep the sofa? Yes, in the living room. We keep sofa in a living room. What is the answer there? L-I-V-I-N-G, living. R-O-O-M, room already given there. In the blank only you write there living. Okay. Next, number 4. We bath in a dash. We bathe or bath. Okay. Both give same meanings. We will pronounce it as bathe or bath. Okay. We bath in a dash. Where children? Yelli makle snana madodu? Yes. Bathroom. B-A-T-H-R-O-O-M. Bathroom. Write the answer in the blank. Bathroom. Okay. Look at the next exercise. We'll go the next exercise. Okay. Say true or false. True for T and F, false for F. True ge T anta ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, false ge F letter ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. See, opposite directions there is given boxes, no? There you have to write. ಅಲ್ಲಿ opposite directional box ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ sentence, if the sentence is correct means you have to write there T, true, only T, first letter. If the sentence is wrong, you have to put there F for false. Okay, false idre F ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, true idre T ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Okay ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Yes, look at the first one. Our house protects us from heat, rain, cold and thieves. The first sentence is our house protects us from heat, rain, cold and thieves. Is it correct statement, children? Yes, it is correct. So what you have to write there? True, T. In the box you write there T. Okay. Look at second one. We keep a bed in a living room. We keep a bed in a living room. Living room nalli bed ಇಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? No, we keep sofa, bookshelves, chairs and all in a living room, no? So this statement is wrong. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ statement wrong ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? So you put there F, false. F for false. We keep bed in a bedroom. Bed na ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನಾವು? Bedroom ನಲ್ಲಿ. So this statement is false. Look at number 3. We should keep our house clean. We should keep our house clean. Is it correct statement? Yes. If we keep the house clean means, yes, it protect us from the diseases. Illness ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕಾಪಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? So we have to keep our house clean. So this statement is right, true. You write there T. Okay. Next, number 4. We play games in the bathroom. We play games in the bathroom. Is it correct statement? Is it correct? No. We take bath in the bathroom, no. So this statement is false. So what you have to write there? F. F for false. F for false. Okay. Look at the next. Number C. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. Totally there are 5 questions. I will give the notes for this. PDF notes ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 100 pages ವರ್ಕ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು, 4 lines book. In that book you have to write all these answers. Okay children, once I will ask, tell me the answer. What is a kacha house? Once I will tell the answer, you just listen and then I will give the PDF notes for you. PDF ಅಲ್ಲಿ notes ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? Yes. What is a kacha house? The first one is, what is a kacha house? A house made of, yes, mud and straw. They are called kacha house. Look at second one. Give examples for pakka houses, bungalow and apartments. These are the examples for pakka houses. What are the examples for pakka houses? Bungalow and apartments. The answer. Okay. Look at number 3. Why do we have windows in our homes? Why do we have windows in our homes? Because, yes, fresh air and sunlight. Fresh air and sunlight come into our house through the windows. Isn't it? So that we have windows in our home. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ವ ಮನೆಗೆ, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಏರು ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವೇರ್ ಡು ವಿ ಕೀಪ್ ಸೋಪ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಗ್ಸ್? ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಈಸ್, ವೇರ್ ಡು ವಿ ಕೀಪ್ soaps and mugs? Where? Yes, we keep soaps and mugs in the bathroom. We keep soaps and mugs in the bathroom. Next, number 5. Why is a house important to us? Why is a house important to us? Because, the answer is because it protects us from heat, rain, cold, wild animals and also from the thieves. It protects us from the, yes, heat, rain, cold, wild animals and from the thieves. So that house is very important to us. Okay children? Yes, we have completed all the topic 3 now. Yes, you have to learn all the answers properly. True or false, fill in the blanks, one word answer, answer these 4 mains are there, no? You have to learn all this properly and then write. Okay children? Yes, thank you very much. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.